Hi, Barbie. Hi, Barbie. Stop playing with him, Riot.
Since it's a summertime, here's my ultimate summer makeup tutorial. So hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Yolinda, and let's get started. And for starting, I'm gonna start with this primer. It's so beautiful and it's giving smooth skin, and I do recommend you guys to use this primer. So this is my skin after applying primer. So next I'm gonna apply this foundation. It's long-lasting foundation. It's kind of giving summer skin, and you know it's getting hard. We don't want a heavy makeup, only soft. Spray your face before starting bringing in your foundation and use fixer. Now you can see how the foundation is giving that glow from within and soft, not too heavy. And for the concealer, I'm gonna go with this concealer, and it's so blurring and it's like my perfect skin match. But I do like to put it under my eyes and on my cheeks. So make sure you blend in with the sponge, not blush, to avoid the harsh lines, okay? And I'm going to use this for contouring, and it's been a while me using this. I'm gonna start bringing it upward to keep it in this little area. Like you can see, it's giving a sun kiss. As you can see on my skin, it's giving like wow, like you can see that shine. Then I'm gonna go with this concealer, and I'm gonna use it under my eyes, like cross a little bit, and also put it at the end of my eyes like that. I'm gonna leave it like this for a while. So move on with my brows, and here's the pencil I'm going to be using. And for the brows, and for my brows, I don't like too much black, you understand. I just place my pencil into my brows like that, and then draw. And then I'm going to use this brush, and yeah. After all, I'm gonna go with the concealer, and for the concealer, you're gonna start move from the end of your brows to forward, like you understand. So as you can see here, I'm not using the concealer I've used at the end of my brows. So for my brows, I do use different concealer, like two different concealers. And here is the concealer I've used at the end of my brows, and this one is the one I'm using right now. And as you can see, it has different color shade. And I'm done with the first eyebrow. So now my face is pretty dry, and I'm going to start blending, and go ahead, start applying powder. So I'm gonna take this brush with the powder and start putting on my face and press it under my eyes like that. And I just use this sponge just to blend it in and make it match my skin, just to avoid the harsh lines or cakey face. And as you can see, it just make my skin or my face very cute. Like, look at that. So I'm gonna quickly move on with the second powder, and for the second powder I don't use it at my whole face, I just use it under my eyes. And here's my eyeshadow, and for the eyeshadow I'm gonna mix those two colors, and I don't want to do too much things because it's a summer. And those two colors, as you can see, it's gonna give you like the sunny thing. I just don't know, like it's giving, as you can see, it's hot like a heater. And I'm gonna go with this eyeliner, and for me, I do struggle with eyeliner, guys. I do struggle, but we move on. And that's how I do draw my eyeliner. But so here is the second color I'm going to be using at my eyeshadow, and I'm gonna use it as draw line. Like, as you can see, I'm trying to draw the line. I'm using the shade to draw the line in my eye, as you can see, so that it can give me that face I want. And then I'm going to take this white shade and press it into my center of my eye, looking as like that. So I'm gonna take this black pencil and then press it to my underline lotion, just to give me a little bit color on my low lashes because I don't have it. And then we're gonna apply brush, and as a summer audition you don't need too much, like you have to add simple, just like that. And for my lip combo, I'm gonna go with this pink lipstick with the lip gloss. And for the highlight, I'm gonna go with this shade. You can see the highlight, and then we're going to apply fixer.
Now you storming out my house in the middle of the night. I'm trying to